The jungle village lay quiet under the silver glow of the moon, shadows stretching long and still, when a sudden, terrified cry split the silence. Rex, the loyal German shepherd who had guarded the village for years, was in trouble. He had wandered near the thick undergrowth at the edge of the forest, chasing a sound only his sharp ears could catch. But there, hidden among the tangled vines, waited a predator unlike any other. A giant python, its scales glistening like polished armor, uncoiled and struck with lightning speed. In an instant, the massive serpent wrapped its body around Rex, squeezing tighter with every second. The dog barked fiercely, his deep growls echoing through the night, but his strength was no match for the relentless pressure of the snake's grip. Villagers rushed out of their homes, holding torches and sticks, their hearts pounding at the sight before them. Mothers pulled their children back, shielding their eyes, while the men shouted and tried to scare the python away. Yet no one dared to get close enough to risk its deadly strike. The python was infamous in those parts, whispered about in fearful tones. It had been seen stealing livestock, vanishing back into the jungle like a ghost. Tonight, however, it had chosen a beloved guardian of the people, and that was something the villagers could never forgive. Rex was not just a dog, he was family, protector, and friend. Panic grew, but determination burned brighter. The village elder, his face pale with fear yet firm with resolve, raised his hand. "We must call the rescue team," he commanded, his voice steady though his heart trembled. Messengers sprinted down the road, their footsteps thundering as they raced to bring help. Meanwhile, Rex's whimpers pierced the night, each cry tugging at the villagers' souls. His owner knelt helplessly on the ground, tears streaking his face, whispering words of comfort as if the dog could still hear him through the crushing coils. Every second stretched endlessly, the weight of dread pressing heavier with each passing breath. And then, in the distance, headlights cut through the darkness, bringing with them the only hope the village had left, the brave rescue team. The brave rescue team arrived in a flurry of movement and controlled urgency, their headlights slicing through the thick darkness of the jungle. Clad in heavy protective gear and carrying specialized tools, they approached the scene with a careful yet determined stride. The villagers parted like water, eyes wide with a mixture of fear and hope, as the team assessed the situation. Rex, the loyal German shepherd, was still trapped within the python's powerful coils, his chest heaving with desperate breaths. Despite the pain, his growls never ceased, a defiant warning to the monstrous serpent that held him captive. The team knew the danger was immense. One wrong move could provoke the python, a creature capable of crushing bone and swallowing prey whole. Two rescuers moved in tandem, using long hooks to distract the snake, keeping its attention away from Rex and the rest of the team. Another member carefully approached the serpent's massive head, knowing that controlling it was the only way to prevent sudden strikes. The python hissed violently, striking the air, its muscular body thrashing with terrifying force. Each motion sent the rescuers sliding backward slightly, their boots sinking into the damp jungle floor, yet they pressed on with unwavering focus. The villagers watched in tense silence, hearts clutched in their throats, as inch by inch the rescuers worked to loosen the crushing coils around Rex's body. Every movement required precision, every second counted. Rex's eyes met those of his owner, filled with a mixture of fear, trust, and hope that only a bond forged through years of loyalty could create. The dog whimpered softly, sensing the hands working to free him, never ceasing in his growls toward the snake. Sweat dripped from the rescuers' brows, and mud stained their protective suits, but they refused to falter. With a combination of skill, courage, and teamwork, the coils began to give way, and the possibility of Rex's survival became more tangible with every passing heartbeat. After what felt like an eternity of tension and careful maneuvering, the last coil of the python was finally pried free from Rex's body. The loyal German shepherd collapsed onto the damp jungle floor, gasping for air, his chest heaving and legs trembling, yet alive. The rescuers immediately checked him for injuries, gently bandaging the scratches and bruises that marred his fur. Despite his exhaustion, Rex lifted his head, his eyes scanning the scene until they met those of his owner. A weak but triumphant wag of his tail signaled the unwavering spirit that had carried him through the ordeal. The python, furious at being thwarted, thrashed violently but was carefully secured by the team and placed into a reinforced cage, ensuring it could no longer harm anyone. The villagers, who had been holding their breath, erupted in cheers and tears of relief. Some rushed forward to embrace Rex, while others clapped the rescuers on the shoulders, grateful beyond words. The brave rescue team, soaked in sweat and mud, allowed themselves brief smiles, knowing they had not only saved a life but preserved the sacred bond between a dog and the village that loved him. As dawn approached, casting soft golden light across the recovering village, Rex stood once more beside his master, his loyalty shining brighter than ever. The night's terror had passed, leaving behind a story of courage, teamwork, and unbreakable bonds. The villagers celebrated with quiet gratitude, sharing stories of Rex's bravery and the rescuers' heroism, ensuring that the legend of the night a giant python was defeated would be remembered for generations. In every corner of the village, the lesson was clear: loyalty, courage, and unity could conquer even the most formidable of adversaries, and Rex's spirit had proven it beyond doubt.